Hi, welcome back to channel BRILL Learnings. In this video, I will cover previous year maths questions related to CTET Paper 1, which was conducted in the month of December 2024. Without further delay, let's move on to the first question. For solving these kind of questions, first you need to convert the whole value into 1 unit. Here they have given kgs and grams. First, take the relation between these two values. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So first convert all values into kgs or grams, whichever is convenient for you. It is better convert the bigger value, bigger measurement into smaller measurement so that you will not get fractions. So here 7 kgs and 7 grams is given. So 7 kgs gives us 7000 grams plus they have given 7 grams also. Add those two values, 7000, 7 grams, and convert this 9 kg into grams. We will get 9000, the difference of these two values. Deduct this 7007 from these. So 3, 9, 9, 1. So this is our value, but they have given options in kgs. So divide the given value, whatever the value we arrived just now, so divide that value with 1000. So 1993 by 1000. In order to convert it into kgs again, we have to divide this grams. So you will get 1.993 kgs. This is our answer, fourth option. Let's move on to the next question. Choose the correct option. So we'll check each options one by one. Equal number of children have apple and guava as their favorite fruit. Let's check the number of children who like apple. So apples 21, 28, and then guava 26. First statement is wrong. So this is not correct. Second option. The difference between the number of children who like grapes and those who like bananas is 16. Grapes, bananas. First number of children who like grapes is 28 minus, so those who like bananas 14. The difference is 14. So this is also wrong. Let's move on to the next option. The number of children who like mangoes and bananas is 2 times the number of children who like guava. Let's check that option also. First add up mangoes and bananas number. Mangoes 44 and then bananas 14. Total 58. And the number of children who like guava is 26. So 26 is not 2 times of 58. It gives us 52 only. So this option is also not correct. So last one is our answer. However, we'll check now that option also. So here, in order to find answer for this fourth option, first we need to add all these values in the given table. So add up those values. First 28, 26, 44, 14 and 28. So add all these values. 8, 6, 14, 14, 4, 18, 22 and 30. 30. 5, 6, 10, 14. So 140. This 140 indicates that the number of children who likes any of the fruits given in this table, but the remaining 10 who do not like any of the fruits. So fourth one is our option. Let's move on to the next question. In this question, let us assume the person initially has X rupees in his bank account. So X rupees. Out of this amount, he withdrew 4,560 rupees on 4th of the month and deposited 2,567 on the 20th of the same month. So add that amount, 2,567. Still, he has 3,125 rupees in his account. That means it has to be equal to 3,125. Solve this equation, you will get the answer. So in order to find this X value, bring these values on this side. So minus 2567 plus 4560. First subtract these two values. So we'll do here 3125 minus 2567. 8, 11, 6 minus 5, 5. Add this value to 4560. So it is 558, and then we have 4560. 8, 11, 11, 5. Initially he has 5118 rupees. Second option is the right answer. Let's move on to the next question. A triangle having all sides of different lengths is called scalene triangle. That is scalene triangle. Let's move on to the next question. The sum of prime numbers between 31 and 60. Here you need to note one thing, that is they have asked the sum of prime numbers between 31 and 60. Between means we should exclude 31 and 60 here. If they have asked from 31 and 60, in that case we have to consider 31 and 16 also. Sometimes they will ask the sum of prime numbers between 31 and 60, both inclusive or both exclusive, like that they will ask. Based on the question, we can whether to consider or not, we can decide. But here they have not given whether to consider or not. That is why we have to exclude 31 and 60. In between those two numbers only we have to consider. Because 31 is a prime number here, 60 is an even number, so no need to think of 60. But here 31 is a prime number. Whether to consider, most of the guys do mistake here only. So they will consider 31 also. Then you will get definitely wrong answer. Okay. So first note all the numbers which are in between 31 and 60. Note all those numbers here. Write down. So 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 37. Next 38, 39. 39 is the multiple of 13. So 40, 41, 41. Okay, it's a prime number. 43 is also a prime number. 45, 46, 47, 47. Yes, it's also a prime number. 48, 49. 7 sevens are, so it is not a prime number. 50, 51. 51 is also not a prime number. It is the multiple of 17. So you will get 51 in 17th table. Next 53. 53 is a prime number. And then 57, it's not a prime number. 59 again, it's a prime number. So these are the prime numbers between 31 and 60. Add all these values. 30, 40, 70, 110, 150, 200, 250. Now add unit values. 7, 8, 11, 18, 18, 3, 21, 30. So 30. So 280 is our answer. If you include 31 here, you will get second option, which is wrong answer. So let's move on to the next question. The product of the predecessor of 201 and the successor of 4781 is. So what is predecessor? The number which comes immediately before the number which was given in the question. So successor of 24781 means, what is successor here? Successor means the number which comes immediately after the given number. So the product of those two numbers here they are asking. So immediate predecessor of 201, that is 200, and immediate successor of 4781, that is 4782. So product of these two. So bring these 200 here, multiply these values. 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 7s are 14, 15, 2 4s are 8 and 9, 0, 0. So 956400. This is our answer. Let's move on to the next question. Which of the following statement is not true with respect to the concept of fractions? Let's check the first statement. It represents a part of collection of same object, right? It's correct statement. The mathematical notation of a fraction can be represented as ratio. This is also right. It represents a part of a whole which is greater than 1. It's a wrong statement. Why? We are taking part of whole. this part never be greater than whole part, right? If I take 2 by 5 means it is always less than 1. Any fractions, we are taking some fractions out of the whole part, then always we'll get less than 1 value only. So this is our answer. Okay, let's check the final statement. The mathematical notation of fraction can be represented as a division problem. Yes, right. So let's move to the next question. In this question, first 3 kilometers 725 meters per day for 3 days. First convert this total value into meters. 3 kilometers multiplied by 1000, you will get 3000 meters. So 3000 meters plus 725 meters, that means 3725 meters for 3 days. And 2 kilometer 9 meters. So 2 kilometer for 2 kilometer, you will get 2000 meters plus 9 meters, means 2009 meters for 2 days. First calculate these values. 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6, 7, 3 7s are 21, 3 3s are 9, 11. Calculate these also. 9 2s are 18, 9 zeros 1, sorry 2 zeros, 2 zeros 0, 2 2s 4. Add these two values, then you will get the total distance covered by R. So add these value 4018. So 3 9 1 5 1. So but the options are in kilometers, so divide these value by 1000 so that it will be converted into kilometers. Then we will get 15.193 kilometers as our answer. So this is our option.